What's good YouTube? I know I've been slacking on my videos and content. But there's a reason why, 'cause I've been working out and bettering my mental state. But I promise I did not forget about my 229 subs and my channel. But I wanted to show y'all a old video from 2021 of me customizing black jeans. Please let me know how you feel about this video, and if I should do more of these. With that being said, please like and subscribe on the road to 500 to 1,000 subs. And let's run it up.